और हैदराबाद में मिस वर्ल्ड के मुकाबले जारी हैं। दुनिया भर से आई हुई हसीनाओं ने मेडिकल टूरिज्म के हिस्से के तौर पर आज गच्ची बावली इलाके में वाक़े AIG हॉस्पिटल का दौरा किया। इस मौके पर हसीनाओं ने हॉस्पिटल में मुख्तलिफ अशिया का मुशाहिदा किया। डॉक्टरों ने अस्पताल के बारे में हसीनाओं को वाकिफ़ कराया और इस दौरान हसीनाओं ने को AIG हॉस्पिटल इंतज़ामिया की जानिब से तोहफ़े पेश किए गए।
It was truly amazing experience. It was eye-opening. We enjoyed it very much. Thank you.
Hello. It was great. It was magnificent. Very informative. Thank you so much, AIG. Bye.
Thank you, AIG. Thank you. It was a very educative and inspiring experience. Thank you so much. We love you.
Hi, it was amazing. I discovered so much about medical technology, and I'm very grateful for AIG and the Miss World competition to make us live this beautiful adventure. Thank you, and see you very soon.
It was very fruitful. We learned a lot of new things. So thank you so much for this opportunity. Thank you so much for this experience. People here are very welcoming. They are very kind. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Telangana.
Kunal, we had about 40 contestants coming to AIG this morning, and they went through all the advances that have occurred in this field. They are particularly very impressed with the amount of advances India has made. AIG Hospital was selected particularly by Government of Telangana because it showcases all what is latest that's available. They said that some of the advances that were shown them in artificial intelligence, cell cultures, genetics, microsurgery were so advanced they couldn't believe that these advances have come. Their countries, they say, are behind in this context, and they would very much like to collaborate with us, go back to talk to their governments and the government officials there to come and see what is happening here so that they can follow the example of Indian development that's occurring. And we're very proud that we could showcase what is happening in terms of advances in medicine in India to so many contestants from so many different countries.
So would you be welcoming them?
Yes, some of them are nurses, kidney specialists, psychiatrists and so on. And all of them are very young, they're just starting their careers. They want to come to AIG for training, and definitely we are going to welcome them. Some of them want to come even for 1 year training, and we'll certainly welcome them.